Hi, this is Michael Adams for Stock Telegraph and CEORoaster, and today I'm not at the Vancouver Resource Investment Conference, but I'm at the Roundup, which is a show for a conference for crazy geos. They're looking at rocks, but no, it's Kelly Earle from Skeena. She's joining me, and of course she's not a crazy geo. First of all, she's one of the few lovely ladies in the industry, and second, she's not working as a geo, but she's kind of a good mixture between geoscience and the markets. So actually the perfect partner for me to talk to. So welcome, and fill me in. So it's January right now, so give us kind of a wrap up of 2017 of the achievements.
Sure. 2017 was a pretty exciting year for us. We acquired our SNP project 100% from Barrick, which means we were able to access the underground workings. Right. And just as a reminder, SNP produced 1.1 million ounces at 27.5 grams per ton gold back in the 90s. So we were keen to get back in there to see what was left behind that was at a much lower cutoff grade because of the price of gold today and the new infrastructure in the area. So we acquired that 100% from Barrick at the end of July. We accessed the underground workings. We wrapped up an 8,000 meter underground drill program in December. We're just starting to see the results out now. Right. Also in 2017 we did our share consolidation.
5 to 1.
10 to 1.
10 to 1, okay.
Yeah, we did that around 50 cents, and I'm pleased to report that we're trading up closer to 80 cents now. Yep. So it was an exciting year for us. We finalized the project acquisition, did a cleanup of the shares, and we're all set for 2018.
And you just mentioned the drill results, and I think they were kind of the fuel or the catalyst for the share price to rise up from the 50 cents after the consolidation or post-consolidation towards the 77, 78, 80 cents, as you just said. So, just tell us kind of the big picture of the drill results. What do the drill results tell you?
Sure. So, we've been hitting spectacular grades, like 91 grams over 3.8 meters. So what they're telling us is when we wanted to go underground and show the remnants of the Twin Zone, which was the main historically mined area, we wanted to find the remnants of it and then also find the extension of it, extend the length of it, and then find other parallel vein structures. Okay. So and I'm pleased to report that we're starting to show a lot more continuity in the parallel structures that we're seeing. We've been able to extend the twin vein up dip and down, so we're really starting to fill in the gaps in the data that we had and start to build ounces underground. Okay,
and I think you had in the last little while, you had 3 news releases on the drill results?
4 out so far.
Okay, and how many are still to come?
We have 12 holes left to go of the 62-hole drill program. So we're hopeful they'll be all out by the end of the year, or by the end of the month, end of January.
End of January, okay, because that's almost now. It's the 24th, so okay, good. And give us an outlook. First of all, that's great, congratulations. And give us an outlook into 2018. So what is the company working on? What are kind of the next milestones you would like to achieve?
So for the SNP project, which is what I've been talking about, we will be back underground at the end of February. So one of the benefits to being underground is that we can drill year-round, which is an anomaly for this part of the world in the Golden Triangle. So we'll be back underground in February. We're going to have a surface drill program there in the summer. We're planning on doing about 20,000 meters at SNP, and that's to further define the material that's left behind and also to step out and do some more exploratory style drilling to see if we can find another structure, another parallel structure that's larger, that would be similar to the Twin Zone, which was what was historically mined.
And you mentioned you would like to drill 20,000 meters. Do you have any approximate cost per meter for drilling?
So now that we're underground, costs have dropped substantially. So I think surface drilling 2016 was running around 350 a meter, and we're going to be below 300 now that we're underground. There were some substantial costs associated with opening up the underground workings, but now that that's established and we have a winterized camp, the price should be going down per meter.
Okay, good. And what's cash? So will you be able to fund everything from the existing cash, or do you need to go to the markets?
We will be going to the markets. We wanted to get all our drill results out and some news flow out there before we went back to the markets, but we should be announcing a financing in the near future.
Okay. Good. And anything else which excites you moving forward?
So yes, the other exciting news that happened right at the end of 2018 was that Skeena signed an option deal to acquire 100% interest in SKE.V. SK Creek was the highest grade gold producer in Canada when it was in production, and it produced 3.3 million ounces of gold at 45 grams per ton, and over 160 million ounces of silver that ran over 2,000 grams per
And the
ton.
funny part is, like, almost every geo or guy in our industry you talk to, everybody is like, "Oh yeah, I was involved in SK Creek."
Yes, everybody.
It's kind of the big flagship.
It definitely was, and it's very exciting. Our chairman, Ron Nedolitsky's accredited with that discovery. He's always wanted to get back in there to see what was left behind, and we signed an option deal with Barrick in December to do just that. So we'll have an initial surface drill program at SK Creek this summer.
Okay, so a lot of news flow for the investor. Stock seems to have bottomed out. That's my impression. Yeah, we are going into an upward trend, and the market seems to be supportive, especially with the drill results. Yeah, we used to have times, when nobody cared about any drill results, but this to me seems to change. Yeah, the analysts are taking a really detailed look at results that are coming up, and if they are promising, my feeling is that money will be. It won't be a tough task to raise money.
We've had a lot of interest in our upcoming financing. Let me just say that. So yes.
Great. So for now, thank you very much, and I think we touch base at PDAC again.
Sounds good.
Thanks.
Thanks, Michael.